Hey everyone, welcome back to my another video of color series nail art. My today's color theme is red and I will do Mickey Mouse nail art today. So let's begin. As usual, I am starting with base coat and I am getting bored by repeating same line so many times. But I have nothing to do. I have to say it. After base coat, I am applying a red polish on my nails. Now I'm going to draw Mickey head on my middle fingernail as my base polish is fully dried now. Here I'm drawing Mickey's head and ears with a black nail polish and a painting brush, but you can use acrylic paint if you want. When black nail polish dries out completely, draw Mickey face with a beige nail polish, or you can say nude nail polish. I don't know how to explain it, but draw the Mickey's face like the same way I showed in the video. It's the easiest way to draw Mickey's face when you are doing freehand nail art. You can finish it here or you can add details to his face by drawing eyes and nose. As I'm done with Mickey head, now I'm going to draw Mickey's hand and Disney word on my ring fingernail using Harunouta stamping plate. I think I pronounce it correctly. So, it seems like we are done with everything, but something is missing. What is it? What is it? What is it? Hey Mon, what is it? It's polka dots, of course. Mickey Mouse nail art is totally incomplete without polka dots. Now we are done with everything. But still one thing is missing, and that is top coat. Finish your mani with top coat to make it long lasting. And now we are done with everything. And here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Share my video with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.